In this episode, we would analyze the current time period being the end of the Kali Yuga through the statistics of world population. Current world population at the start of 2020 was 770 crores or 7.7 billion. Global population increased from 1.6 billion in 1900 to 7.7 billion today, which is 500% in 120 years. Until the time of Napoleon, there were less than 1 billion people on Earth at any one time. Since the Second World War, we have been adding a billion people to the global population every 12 to 15 years. Our population is more than double today than what it was in 1970. Lester Brown of the Earth Policy Institute has said, based on ecological footprint accounting discussed in this article, it would take 1.5 Earths to sustain our present level of consumption. Environmentally, the world is in an overshoot mode. Here is a brief portion of ecological footprint. One way to estimate human demand compared to ecosystems carrying capacity is ecological footprint accounting. Rather than speculating about future possibilities and limitations imposed by carrying capacity constraints, ecological footprint accounting provides empirical, non-speculative assessments of the past. It compares historic regeneration rates, biocapacity against historical human demand, ecological footprint in the same year. Most recent results from Global Footprint Network's data platform show that humanity's footprint exceeded the planet's biological capacity in 2016 by over 70%. However, this measurement does not take into account the depletion of the actual fossil fuels, which would result in a carbon footprint many hundreds of times higher than the current calculation. Thus, now one can relate to the first blunder that we mentioned in episode number 1 in this series too, the greatest blunder of the divine ear concept. The earth is already over its carrying capacity. Then think what would happen if there were another 427,000 more years to finish Kali Yuga. The word impossible is not enough to express. Hence, the computation of the Kalpa and the Brahmavarsha duration prescribed by the scholars may be said to have crossed the limits beyond human sanity. According to Bhagavan's Srimad happening now, the total human soul population is 7.5 billion, and this capacity reaches this maximum every 5,000 years. That is when the world is called universe or the Vishwa, when each and every soul is present on the earth to be able to recognize the one universal God, the Vishwanath Shiva Shankar, as proven in series 1 as well as in series 3 with all the world evidences. We request the viewers to watch the 3 series and the episodes within the series in the numbered sequence. We have used questioning technique where each and every point is questioned and answered in the most practical manner, supported by religious scriptural references and other authentic evidences, and thus are arranged in logically meaningful flow.